Imagine someone handing over an under construction house to you with foundations and pillars built, but nothing else. You have something to start with, but you can't begin living in this building without walls, rooms, etc. You have been given some guidelines to follow while building the house based on your location. You have the choice of creating beautiful rooms and fantastic living space. How beautiful the house turns out to be depends on your taste and the decisions you make. That's framework for you. Another approach would be to build a house with everything and you can just move in. You have freedom of where you place your furniture, decors, etc., but you can't change the shape and size of the rooms. That's method for you. In other words, framework is like React.js and method is like an application like LinkedIn. So Scrum is a framework which can be used by product development teams to self-organize to solve complex and adaptive problems. Basically to build complex products.